definitely worth it.
All right, good job. Pretty good along with Ron Kidd. This started last May on the day of the Indianapolis 500. My son Joe was the instigator who pushed me along to help him with this project. He wanted to shift gears. Started off with a $300 car. Took about 6 months. And, you know, if you can get a car for 300 bucks and it's this clean and nice, I'd say buy it, because you can get an engine somewhere. We bought a $350 parts car, 1986 300ZX, and went to town. Kind of wild when you pay more for your parts car than you do your regular car that you're going to work on, but sometimes that happens. And me and Joe, my son, and his buddy Ethan went and yanked the gas tank out of the parts car that we ended up buying to get the fuel pump. This fuel pump was nasty. As his buddy Ethan said, it looked like it came out of the Titanic. I don't know how many 300ZX were aboard the Titanic, but anyway, because 16-year-olds don't have a lot of money, and the dad don't have a lot of money to spend. But the engine out of the parts car was the big save there, because my son, paid 350 bucks for the parts car. This was a $300 ZX we're riding in. And you name it, we probably replaced it. So follow along, it's gonna be a fun journey. Project $300 ZX, Junkyard Life. Stay tuned. Got it up?
Yeah. Whenever you're ready. Started. I ran for a couple seconds.
So all we need is the fuel pump.
If we had gas in that. Ooh. Looks like the fuel pump off the Titanic. It's pretty bad. All that.
Anybody out there got a spare fuel pump? Man, this is the good side over here.
Oh man.
Yeah, dude, that's pretty.
There you go. Look at that. Dude, I'm serious about like the whole power washer and soap, because this is. Oh, you're.
It's 09, so been here, he said less than 10 years maybe, so.
I'm gonna snatch the wheels off. This is a 10-year anniversary for not being on the road. This is special kind of pretty. Go on, Joe's sitting there.
What are you scared of?
Look at this thing.
What are you scared of, Dad?
I ain't scared of nothing.
Slam the door on you.
Oh yeah. Here we are. Smells like 2009 in here. Sealed with dirt and love.
Oh! There we go! What is this? Joe.
That larva?
Yeah, like the eggs.
Yeah, good luck getting underneath this at the moment.
Well, let me go get my torch. Alright, Joe.
Yeah,
One
go
more.
get your torch.
One more.
Go get it. We gotta.
Hey, if you just get that out, watch out.
Whoa. We need to
connected?
cover this up.
Is it? Yeah, it's probably connected back there somewhere.
Oh man. Oh god.
There we go. Watch out.
There you go, let me see if I can snap it. Whoop. You got it.
Carpet's no good anyways.
Oh boy, that smells.
We gotta
Smells
get that
like
as far
insulation.
away as we can.
It's not only insulation.
Smells like.
Holy!
Oh my gosh.
Took us 15 minutes to get
Look
there.
how fast they're moving. They're like.
It was the blue one, right?
We need a bunch of spray.
Yeah.
Do you not have any spray, Dad?
You got no spray.
Hmm. We can try and crush them all.
Let's just investigate, see what we got here.
Oh man, look.
Yeah, it's got some rust issue. We might not even.
I don't think it's in a structurally sound anymore.
I guess
I got a positive and negative.
Oh. Yeah, this must be a problem area in all of them. This has got rust.
Disconnector.
Just don't hurt my cord that I need going down. Oh my god, Dad.
Oh wow.
That's not good.
That's worse than yours. I don't really know what's worse, sitting in the woods for 8 years or sitting underwater for however long.
There's not even a hole I can fit this thing in.
Every single car in existence has a different fuel pump, Joe.
What are you talking about?
There she goes.
Looks like whiskey.
Gallon of your finest.
I'm gonna sell this for $50 a bottle.
Aged for 9 years.
Yep. It's very southern tradition. All right, Joe. That's good.
Is it out?
Not yet, but mason jar is full.
I want to keep this gas, just FYI. We're keeping it this time, Dad.
I don't know why you keep it.
Here,
Because it's
Easy,
red.
yeah.
It's red
Joe,
gas.
do your finest.
Why would you not want this? I'm gonna put this in my cabinet.
All right,
In your cabinet.
ready for another one.
What are you talking about? How much gas is in this? It's the black and blue.
Why does this thing have like a full... Straight from the tap. Don't that look delicious?
That's awesome.
It's pretty good pressure too.
Where'd it squirt? Oh, I can see it.
Yeah, I cut it right here and it went whoosh.
And look how fast it's pushing it. That is good. That's a good thing.
Oh
All right. Yeah. It would be bad if it didn't stop.
Do we have any more?
Look at this. Look at this. That's not a bad sign.
It's starting to clear up a little bit. What are your thoughts on this, Joe?
Time to go home.
Oh yeah.
Oh, muy bien. Look at that fuel pump, baby. Look how rusty it
We're
is.
never getting that out. Might as well just put this tank in there.
My hands, my poor hands. Okay, we got it. We're just gonna call that.
I think that's good enough.
All right.